Hi, I'm the little prince. I came back to Earth and tried to see and discover everywhere. I am in Tehran now. I am the little prince of Persia. Let's go. The old men of City Pek say that once upon a time this was an infamous park. But now there is a lake where children go boating, there are several playgrounds where children can have fun and laugh, there is a bird garden where children can go and make friends with them, and there is an aquarium where children can go and play with fish. However, once City Pek was not a good park, but now it has become a well-known park. I wish everything would change. I wish everything would change like City Pek.